For that beautiful, lovely smile, it's necessary to have some good teeth. Using ordinary toothpaste, you can't get bright white teeth, and there are a lot of different products available to make your teeth white. So, to make your life easier, we came up with the 5 best whiteners that will help you get that white teeth and remove your old stains. So let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
If you want 4 to 8 shades whiter teeth, the AsaVea Teeth Whitening Pen is the perfect choice for you. It will help to remove years of stain caused by coffee, tea, wine, smoking, soda, and more. It's formulated with 35% carbamide peroxide that will help you to boost your confidence under 1 minute daily. The pen device features a durable twist mechanism with a soft brush tip that gently paints each tooth and its gaps for a complete whitening experience. The AsaVea Teeth Whitening Pen is available on Amazon with great user responses. According to the users, this highly recommended teeth whitener provides visible results and is easy to apply, but a few users were not happy with the outcome. How to use. It's time to rate this teeth whitener. The Cali White Whitening Toothpaste is an easy way to whiten your teeth without all the nasty chemicals used in largest retail teeth whiteners. It's formulated with activated charcoal, organic coconut oil, and baking soda, creating a powerful teeth whitening effect with zero tooth sensitivity. The Cali White Whitening Toothpaste is infused with the antiseptic and remineralizing properties of diatomaceous earth, tea tree oil, coconut oil, xylitol, and peppermint oil. The mint flavors of this whitener cures bad breath and will leave your mouth feeling fresh. It provides you high levels of oral care while whitening your teeth. The Cali White Whitening Toothpaste is one of the most reviewed on Amazon, and it earned a huge number of reviews and ratings from its users. According to the users, the toothpaste works amazing. The users noticed visible differences within a few days, though a few users were still not happy with their outcomes. How to use. It's time to rate this teeth whitener. If you're a caffeine addict, your teeth must have stains caused by coffee. The Active Wow Teeth Whitening Powder might be a great choice for you while being 100% safe and gentle for your own teeth. It's formulated with coconut-activated charcoal that works by pulling stains off your teeth through a process called absorption. The whitener contains bentonite that helps to absorb toxins from your teeth and easy on your gums, and also contains orange seed oil that has numerous anti-inflammatory and antiseptic qualities to smooth your teeth whitening experience. The Active Wow Teeth Whitening Powder has natural chemical-free formula and will detoxify the mouth, removing bad breath, gently polishing away stains quickly and easily. The Active Wow Teeth Whitening Powder is available on Amazon with thousands of reviews and high ratings. The users are in love with this teeth whitener. It removes the year-old stains, and the user noticed a huge difference on their teeth. Though a few users complained it increased their gum sensitivity. How to use. Time to check out the ratings. The Crest 3D Teeth Whitening Strip Kit is our next best teeth whitener that will remove years of stains. This whitening gel is formulated with the same enamel-safe whitening agent that is used by the dentist. The whitener has advanced seal technology that doesn't slip, grips, and it stays on, as you can talk and drink water while whitening your teeth. The strip's mold is designed like the shape of your teeth and it comes off cleanly. The Crest 3D White Teeth Whitening Strips Kit removes your 14 years of teeth stain that will last up to 12 months after using it for 20 days. It also provides you a whiter smile within 30 minutes. The Crest 3D White Teeth Whitening Strip Kit is available on Amazon with thousands of reviews and high ratings. According to users, this whitening strip removes the year-old stains easily. It also gets rid of sensitivity as well. Though besides thousands of positive reviews, some users were still not satisfied with their outcomes. How to use. So let's check out the ratings. If you're looking for a teeth whitening kit that actually works like magic within 30 minutes, the AuraGlow Teeth Whitening Kit is the right choice for you. It'll help you get that perfect smile that you always wanted and remove stains from coffee, wine, soda, tea, smoking, and more. It is featured with light speed whitening technology that activates the molecules in whitening gel during each treatment to deliver whiter teeth faster. The whitening gel has a powerful 35% carbamide peroxide that helps to whiten the surface of teeth without harmful side effects or pain. The AuraGlow Teeth Whitening Kit comes with a soft silicone mouth kit that comfortably fits in any mouth. It's attached to the LED light device and it is inserted in the mouth to hold the teeth whitening gel during the whitening. This teeth whitener gives you 3 times faster results. 10-minute timers to keep tracking of the whitening and built with 5 LED bulbs for whitening technology. The AuraGlow Teeth Whitening Kit is one of the highest selling teeth whitening kits on Amazon and it earned a huge number of reviews and ratings from its users. The reviews say it all. This best-selling teeth whitening kit provides excellent results and it's worth the money. Only a few users didn't notice much different on their teeth. How to use. It's time to rate this teeth whitener. These were our best 5 teeth whitening products. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.